Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Hooks and Yarns. Today's video is actually about the patterns, how to read the graphical patterns. There must be a lot of people who already understand these graphical patterns, but this video is basically for beginners who who do not understand it yet. So without further ado, let's begin. So here, if in a pattern they're saying chain, so for chain they will draw a little circle like this, an oval shape, you can say, not a circle but an oval. This is a chain. Okay, this represents a chain, means in a pattern wherever they have mentioned this a little oval shape, it means they're telling you to chain stitch. Look here, when we start here, there are why I have written 11, because I counted 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. There are 11 chains we have to make first. Okay, we have to chain 11. So they have drawn 11 chains, 11 small ovals. Okay, now when they talk about the slip stitch, so there will be a small dot like this. This means they're talking about a slip stitch. So usually whenever we whenever we do some chain, up till now whatever pattern I have done, usually I say like chain 4 and then slip stitch in the first chain you made. Okay, so here they told to chain 11, and then what it shows the slip stitch. It means you'll slip stitch in the first chain you made. Okay, now this is our base. When we go towards the second round, this is round 2. Okay, so here wherever you see a chain stitch, look here, they're showing 3 chain stitches. Chain stitches are used actually to move to the other round. Okay, they're showing 3 ovals here back to back on top of each other. It means you have to chain 3 to start the second round. And this, why we make these chains, to reach to the height of the stitch we are gonna make in that round. Okay, so as we were about to stitch the double crochet, they asked us to chain 3. If we would have been stitching single crochet, there will be only 1 chain. If they were talking about the half double crochet, they will give 2 chains. So chains are made according to the height of the stitch, to match the height of the stitch. And these chains, if you want, you can consider it in a pattern a stitch. Like if you have made 3 chains, you can consider it 1 single crochet. If you don't want to consider it, it's up to you. You can ignore it completely, and instead of this, like with this there are 23 double crochets. So if you ignore it, so you'll have to make 24 double crochets, and you will here there's slip stitching in the chain space. But if you're ignoring this, after the last double crochet you'll slip stitch in the first double crochet. Okay, so this is the difference, but it's up to you if you want to consider it or not. Okay, so here wherever they have shown these dots, it means there you have to slip stitch. They are slip stitching over there. Okay, here when they completed 11 chains, there is a dot. It means you will slip stitch in the first chain you made. Okay, and then here we come, there are 3 chains on top of each other. It means you have to chain 3, and then we come here. Okay, as they are talking about the double crochet, so I will tell you the double crochet first, and after that I will show you how they show for single crochet, what is the sign of the single crochet. So if it is a double crochet, for double crochet there will be a straight line, like a standing line, and then there will be a T, okay, a T, and in the middle of that T there will be a small sleeping line, you can say.